Hello, my viewers. Welcome once again to this wonderful channel, Israeli Math Concept. In this tutorial, I want to make a construction basically on the question I have here. Actually, this question was sent to me by one of my students, and I deem it fit to solve it and to resend back. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time of viewing my video, and kindly hit the notification button so that whenever I drop a new math content, you will be notified. All right, I want to read out the question first of all. The question says, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 12 centimeter, and CA is equal to 13 centimeter. That is the A part of the question. Then the B part of the question says we should measure angle ABC. So it is very simple to construct this given problem. The first thing we have to do is to draw our rough sketch. And this is my rough sketch which I've drawn already. Remember, we are asked to construct triangle ABC, so I use my pencil to draw a rough sketch of triangle A, B, and C respectively. So we are told that AB is equal to 5 centimeter. That was why I indicated my side AB to be 5 centimeter. Also, we are told that our side BC is 12 centimeter. That was also why I indicated that my side BC, this is my side BC, and I made it 12 centimeter. Then as well, my side CA, we were told that it should be 13 centimeter. Then that was why I also made my side CA also to be 13 centimeter. That is very simple to do. Okay, let's get into construction of this given rough sketch. Remember, the rough sketch in itself is not the real construction, but it would help us to construct the exact thing we are asked to construct. Okay, let's begin with the construction properly. The first thing I have to do is to draw a straight line. Remember, this is my ruler, and this instrument is my pair of compass, while this is my pencil. So I have to drop my ruler at this given point of this plan sheet. Then I will draw a straight line of any length of my choice. I will choose to draw from the point of 0 to the point of 7 centimeter. Obviously, what I did was to draw a straight line of my choice from this point of 0 to 7 centimeter. Okay, I now have to remove my ruler. Then the beginning of this point of my straight line, let me call it point A. So this point, let me term it point A. But remember, I'm trying to locate AB to be 5 centimeter. And because of that, I have to drop my ruler and use my pair of compass to measure out 5 centimeter. So from the point of 0 in my centimeter, I will measure out 5 centimeter from my ruler. Then I will bring it out. Then I will place it at the point of A. Then I now have to cut this line at this given point. Ensure that your pair of compass does not move when you are cutting a given line. Then this is the point of intersection where this arc that I cut with this very straight line meet. So this point of intersection, I will call it point B. I will call it point B. So automatically from this point of A to this point of B, if I take my ruler and measure it out, you will see that it gives me from this 0 to 5, it gives me 5 centimeter. So obviously I will write from point A to point B 5 centimeter. So automatically I don't need from this very point of my line to this point. I can easily erase it with my cleaner, but if I don't want to do it, I can still leave it. But remember, we are only considering from point A to point B, which is our 5 centimeter. Then the next thing we want to do is to construct side BC, which is 12 centimeter. From my rough sketch, this is my side BC, and that is 12 centimeter. So I have to bring my ruler, and when I bring my ruler, I will place it on my plan sheet, and with my pair of compass, I now have to measure out 12 centimeter from this ruler. So this is my 12 centimeter from the ruler. Then I will still bring it out. Then I will place it at this given point of B. This given point of B, then I will draw an arc. I will just draw an arc. This is the arc I draw. Remember, ensure that while you are drawing an arc, that your pencil does not move, so that you will maintain the same arc or the same arc range. Okay, having drawn an arc from the point of B without shifting my pair of compass, I will still pull it out. Then remember, we were also told that our side CA is equal to 13 centimeter. And from my rough sketch, this is my side CA, and that is 13 centimeter. Then I will also use my ruler. I will place my ruler on top of my plan sheet, and I will measure out 13 centimeter from my ruler. So from this point of 0 to this given point of 13 centimeter, I will measure it out. So having measured out 13 centimeter from my ruler, I will bring out my pair of compass. Then I will place it from the point of A. From the point of A, and then I will cut the initial arc that I've drawn. So this is how I was able to cut it. So having cut the initial arc, I have the point where these two arcs meet, and that is this point. Obviously, this is the point where the first and the second arc meet. Okay, this point where the first and second arc meet, I now have to drop my ruler to touch this first point and also the second point of B. So obviously my ruler is touching the point of B and also this given point. Then I will draw a straight line from this point to this other point of B. So this straight line that I've drawn automatically is my 12 centimeter. I will now write this side to be 12 centimeter. So this is my 12 centimeter. So this point, I will now have to call it my point C. So automatically my side BC is now 12 centimeter. Then also, I will also place my ruler to touch point A and as well to touch point C. Then I now have to draw my line from this point C to this point A, drawing a straight line to touch these 2 points. Automatically, I now have side AC. And side AC from my raw sketch is 13 centimeter. So I will write this side AC 13 centimeter. Obviously, I'm through with the construction. Now, looking at the raw sketch and looking at the replica of what we have here, which is the real construction, my side AB is 5 centimeter, and this is my side AB here, which is 5 centimeter. Then my side AC is 13 centimeter, and this is my side AC, which is 13 centimeter. Then lastly, my side BC is 12 centimeter, and this is my side BC, which is now 12 centimeter. So automatically I've succeeded with my construction. If you want to know whether this construction is true, take your ruler and measure out from point A to point B. You will see that it's obviously 5 centimeter. Also measure out from point B to point C. You will see that when you measure it out, obviously it is 12 centimeter. Then also measure from point C to point A. This is point C to point A. Measure it out with your ruler and you will see obviously it is 13 centimeter. So automatically my construction is perfect. Okay, the number B part of the question, remember we are through with number A, which is the construction we've done. So the B part of the question says we should measure angle ABC. What are the angle ABC? That is the angle here. This is the angle A. Then the angle here is the angle B. And the angle here is the angle C. But whenever you have a situation whereby you are asked to measure angle ABC, this is the implication of it. Angle ABC. That means if you don't put it this way, you can still put it this way, or A angle BC. So it's either you put it this way or you put it this way. So what it means is that we are considering the middle angle, which is angle B. That is why some textbook will put it this way, that we are considering angle B. But if you don't put it this way, you can also put it this way, angle ABC. So this angle, in short, can still be put as this, and the same angle in short can still be put as this. So automatically we are asked to measure the center angle, which is angle B. So we are concerned with only angle B and not the individual angle A, B, and C, but rather we are asked to measure the angle B only. Okay, for us to measure angle, remember we need to use this particular instrument, and this instrument we call it protractor. And what is the function of this protractor? It is used to measure out angle in a given diagram or construction or geometry. Okay, for us to measure this angle B, which is the angle we are supposed to measure, angle ABC, and we are targeting the angle B, which is the angle we want to measure. So from this point to this point is the angle we want to measure, which is angle B. And my protractor takes range from 0 degree up to 180 degree. So for me to measure this angle B, there is a smaller circular point here, and this smaller circular point in this my protractor is the point I have to place on this point of B. So let me place it practically on the point of B. Then there is a straight line that passes through this point of B up to this 90 degree in this protractor. I will also ensure that this straight line will also pass through the line that touches C. So after I've achieved that, I will also make sure that this given straight line from this very point that passes through this other point will also pass through the point of A. Then I now have to measure from this 0 degree here, I will measure through 90 degree. So the angle stops at 90 degree, which will give me the totality of the angle from this point to this point. So the angle here is angle 90 degree. That is the angle I was able to measure out as my angle B. Hence, hence, I will say that my angle B is equal to 90 degree. An angle 90 degree is a right angle, Okay, looking at this should tell us obviously that this is a right angle triangle that we've succeeded in constructing. Because a right angle triangle is a type of triangle that one of its angle is 90 degree. Obviously, this is a right angle triangle. Then I will now say that my angle ABC, my angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So this is the final answer for this given question we are asked to construct. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and as well to hit the notification button so that whenever I drop a new math content, you will be notified. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.